So this is a quick video on the new Bilt pressure washer. Actually got a good deal on it. I was looking online for a pressure washer and this one came up, but the price was a little bit high, almost 400 bucks. Brand new. Actually this one is brand new, but I actually got a good deal. I was looking on I went to look on OfferUp and Craigslist and found it on OfferUp, this one, and the guy only was asking $220 for the pressure washer. It was in the box and everything was new, and actually give it a shot and tell the guy to meet up, and actually bought it and paid $200 for it. So I think it's a pretty good deal. And for what I know, this one you have to add the oil at first, so remember to put the oil on it. It goes right here. It comes with a little bag of oil inside the box. So you have to assemble the pressure washer, just this bracket right here with the bolts and the nuts, also the tips for the pressure washer, and this thing, that's the gun. It comes with the hose, and actually it's pretty easy to run. You don't have to choke it or anything like that. It's just on and off switch. So you press it on and then you turn it off, and that's about it. It's 3100 psi, 2.5 gallons per minute, I think, and it's a 190 cc engine. And I mean, it runs pretty smooth. I will show you how it runs and how it turns on, and show you. So already connect all the hoses, everything, the water, and the hose for the gun itself. So just a quick demonstration. I have to get the air out. The idling of the pressure washer is not that loud. Actually, it's pretty quiet, and it's nice. Then when you hit the trigger, it's a little bit louder, but not that much. This is the yellow tip. It's like between what is this, 15-degree angle, I think. There's the 40-degree, and then there's the maximum for the straight line, and there's the black one for the soap. I mean, you can tell it is pretty quiet and runs pretty smooth. And when you finish, put your gun inside here. And then just turn it off. That's about it. And I mean, basically that's all. The gasoline, a little gas tank on it. This is for the air filter. And what else? The wheels, pretty nice. Soft rubber, so they don't go flat anytime soon. And I mean, that's about it. It also has the little soap tank that goes in the back. Just to add the soap and then to rinse it with water. But actually gonna get the foam cannon for it, so I can start washing my motorcycles and my cars. It's one of my motorcycles, and that's some other projects that I have building on. But yeah, that's about it, and just keep you posted. And if you guys want to try this pressure washer, I think it's a pretty impressive machine for the price. Well, actually for the price that I got it, yeah, it's a pretty good deal. But might as well just you guys give it a try and then go from there.